Okay, it's April 6, year 2010. Okay, I was able to repair my old test equipment. Okay, this is IFR AM 500A. This is a receiving service monitor. Okay, this will allow you to receive from 100 kilohertz up to 999 megahertz. This is a universal receiver and also a transmitter. I can also use this to test our RC transmitter. So this is my radio. My radio is set to 72350. I have set the receiver to 72350 there, and you can check the signal. You can check the modulation there. That's the modulation there, about 1 kilohertz. Okay, this equipment has been with me for, I guess, for more than 3 or 4 years, but I wasn't able to fix it until I was able to download the service manual. I was able to download the service manual of this equipment. Okay, and found the defective capacitor. Very difficult to fix it. Okay, there. I found this shorted capacitor. This is a tantalum capacitor. Okay, it's power supply. Okay, one nice thing about this equipment is this equipment can also work on a DC, 12 volts DC. Okay, here's my power supply, 0. I'm going to switch it to DC. Off, then switch to DC. Okay, it's now working on the DC. It's consume about 1.8 volts, 1.8 ampere at 13.8 volts. Okay, there. Finally, it's my new hobby, restoring an old test equipment. Okay, this is a very expensive test equipment. I guess this since built in 1980s. Okay, when I was a kid, I was often saw this equipment on my friend's R&D lab, and during those days, I'm so eager to have this kind of equipment. And luckily, my friend just gave it to me. Okay, but it's not working. Anyway, after a few years, was able to download the manual and able to make it work. Okay, that's about it. Now I can test almost all kinds of equipment. Not only testing, I can also tune into a radio. Okay, it sets to 89.9 radio. 89.9. It's a very expensive FM radio. I can also tune into a TV, ABS-CBN 59.9. Okay, that's a TV channel. It's ABS-CBN TV.
It's okay. Add a little more. Coffee Mate has 0 grams trans fat for coffee that's richer, creamier.
Okay.
For more moments made perfect. From Nestle.
Ang ibang chai sachets na maraming laman, pareho ba sa Rejoice? Tignan natin. Ang Rejoice 3-in-1 na may hot oil essence ay mas thick. Sobrang smooth. Subukan nyo! Para sa tatlong gamit, Rejoice 3-in-1 chai sachet. Kain na yan! Ito.
Okay, let me show you what's inside. Very complicated equipment.
Lalaghan ko na lang ulit yan.
Eh kasi naman, may Ariel, yaman sa kalinisan.
Okay.
Pinalang,
That's about it.
milyonaryo ka na!